You can use this if you have straight hair, wavy hair, curly hair. Flipped in a pool and I cut my head open. I feel bad for the people who either don't have hair or what to do about them. Like, how do I make it interesting for them? You can do anything you want when you're dumb. This is what it looks like, wet a little bit but not a lot. I'm gonna show you it. Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, what up? How do I look so bad? Hey guys, happy... I do not know what day it is, but happy whatever day it is. It's probably Wednesday because I post on Wednesdays. Happy Wednesday. Today, I'm doing a super highly requested video, and that is my hair routine. I just wanted to make a little note that I do not always use this routine. I don't do it every day and it's not like consistent and stuff because I'm blessed. If you've seen me in person, that's just what it does when I get out of the shower. That's just, I don't really do anything to it. Since that would have been in like a 1-second video or something, I decided I would show you what I use when when I'm going out or when I want to look extra cute or extra tame. If you've seen me at school, that's just me going to shower and then coming to school. That's it. So let's get into the video. So I shower every night. In the shower, I like to use conditioner, which we have here. This is the conditioner that I'm using right now. This video is not sponsored because my channel is too small to get sponsored. I use kind of a lot of this with green tea and ginger. I use the shampoo that goes with it. It's also with green tea and ginger. It's like the same thing except it's the shampoo version. When I shower, I use a lot more conditioner than shampoo. If you have curly hair, you understand what I'm saying. I use shampoo at least once or twice a week just because my scalp needs to be cleaned better, and conditioner doesn't do that for my head. Shampoo really just gets in there, and it makes like my scalp voluptuous. So I recommend all of these. If you're in Oman, you can get it at Al Fair, you can get it anywhere. I use these when I'm trying to make my hair look good for the next day. After I shower, I put my hair in a bun and I go to sleep with it in a bun, and then when I wake up, I take out the bun, and then that's just how it looks. I thought that we might as well have a little treatment day since we're doing this. On my lips right now, I have mint tulip lip scrub. It is my sister's. She forgot it, so I'm using it. I brush my hair in the shower. I do not and would not recommend you to brush your curly hair when it is dry, because that's just, if you have curly hair, you already know that. I'm just gonna put a face mask. This one is my mom's and it's her last one, and I don't know if she's gonna kill me for it. I brush my hair in the shower like I was saying. I like to dry it out a little bit with my towel, just dabbing it. Why did this look so much better in my head? Feels good. Is my face like not shaped correctly for this mask? Okay, this is kind of uncomfortable and I don't think I'm gonna do this. You can use this if you have straight hair, wavy hair, curly hair. This is not working. I'm gonna save that for later. When I get out of the shower, I brush it. I would recommend you don't wet your hair when you're doing a curly hair routine. Don't soak it too much when you're brushing it, because if it's oversaturated, it's just gonna be oily. You have to be right in the middle, because if it's too dry, it's just gonna end up dry, and you have curly hair, you're just gonna end up with bad curls and it's not gonna be easy. If it's too wet, it's just gonna be oily and the curls might look nice, but it will just be oily. After I do that, I get my Moroccan Perfection Defining Cream. I don't use this a lot because this is curling and my curls are just, this is just how they are. This is just defining what is already kind of defined. If your hair is oversaturated and too wet when you're doing this, also it will take much longer to dry and much longer to become a curl, and I take only a tiny bit. I want to stress that if it's too much, you will have oily curls and it's not gonna look nice and wet and curly. It's gonna look oily, like you don't wash your hair. On the bottle it says to apply it from the root down to your ends, but I think that you should not do that. I think that you should start small with a little bit, like you can barely even see it, at the mid, right, of your hair all the way to the ends, because if you put it on your roots, you'll put too much on the root. That will cause oiliness and your scalp will be dirty and disgusting. Make sure you're not forgetting the back of your head. And if you start at the top of your head, you will have no volume at the top of your head. It will just be oily and flat. Sorry if you can see my scar here. I flipped in a pool and I cut my head open. You can scrunch it up a little bit. You want to make sure that your whole head has enough product. Give your whole head, even the back, some love. Scrunch it. When you start, you can start from a bun, like how my hair was before, in a towel. I would actually not use a towel how I did. I would just put your hair in a bun and in a towel, but don't use cotton because I think that it will just frizz up your hair. I think my hair is a little bit too wet right now. When your hair is too wet and you put the product, it's not gonna go into your hair as nicely. After this, separate our hair. Take this part. You just want to section it out just to make it easier for you. Then you want to take your hairbrush. Since there's product in your hair, you don't want to pull your hair downwards. That will just drag your curls down. What you want to do is pull it outwards. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I feel bad for the people who either don't have hair or have straight hair and are not interested by this video. I don't know what to do about them. Like, how do I make it interesting for them? I was thinking of doing a story time, but I don't think I can focus on two things at once, you know? Multitasking is impossible if you know psychology. It's impossible to focus on two things. Oh wait, I'm doing two things at once. No, I'm not. It's fine. My hair is getting a little bit dry. Now is when you would want that spray soak your hair, but not throughout the whole video because it's just gonna get too wet and the product is just gonna stick to your hair. It's not gonna sink in properly. Next, what I use is the Frizz Ease, the Frieda Frizz Ease. You can also use the mousse. So what I do is I spray a little bit. On the back it says put on your hair, so maybe put on your hair and you want to scrunch it up. You do not want to drag it through your hair, otherwise your hair will become straight. If you want them, if you have straight hair, you can what I was saying, sorry. Drag it through your hair. It's gonna look flat, you know, you don't want your hair to be flat. Scrunch. Right now, what you do if you were like in a hurry, what I'd say is use a, what is it called? The thing that dries your head but like diffuses it. I don't know what it's called. I don't have one. I have to let my hair air dry. I have nothing else to do. I can't do anything today. I'm just gonna let it dry for a little bit and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks like. So this is what it looks like wet. This is what it looks like wet a little bit but not a lot. And I'm gonna show you it when it's dry. This is dry a little bit but not dry. I'm gonna show you guys dry. Why not? I'm gonna cut my hair like I saw in a TikTok video because that's where we are in our lives. I can't go to the hairdresser because the hairdresser is closed. Basically, my hair needs some maintaining. We pulled our hair all the way to the front. I don't know how much I'm cutting. I don't know what I'm doing. So here are my scissors. They're just normal house scissors. Should I just cut it? I'm scared. Should I just... This is not good. Not good. Okay. I've done it. How do I know if it's even? What if I don't like it? I thought this would be longer. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I think I'm done with this part. You can do anything you want when you're dumb. How do people do that? I hope my curly hair makes it so that you can't see that I cut my hair badly. Okay, so we did it and not that much shorter. It's actually not any different. This is what I cut off. That's it. I think that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for another video. Also, comment down below what you want to see. I think I'm going to do a confessions video next, reacting to confessions. So let me just show you guys. My hair is kind of a mess right now. This is how it looks. A bit short here, but it's okay. Hey guys, I don't think I did a proper intro because I was kind of shy, you know. And so this is how it looks. I mean outro, sorry. That's my hair. I don't know what it looks like from the back. It used to reach like down here. Oh, it's a little bit frizzy. That's my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you, and I'm so happy that you guys watched another video of mine. I'm really sorry if this wasn't the video that you were expecting. Like, I don't know what exactly, half of you wanted this, half of you I'm sure would watch this and be like, why is she doing those kinds of videos? But if you want to see anything, please comment down below and please go tell me a confession. I might do an anonymous one and an Instagram one. So I'm not gonna read them, and then when I'm filming my next video, I'm gonna be reading them like live with you guys and reacting to them, and then you guys can see how I react to your confessions. And that will be in 2 videos, I think, because the next video is the next exercise video and a challenge. Yes, thank you for watching. I think this was kind of okay. The hair cutting kind of scary, but you know. But thank you guys so much for watching.